Reintroducing the solar furnace, a time-tested air heater. It's simple. Every day, more solar energy falls on the US than we need in a year. More than we need in a year. So how is this helpful? The solution is simple too. Heat capture. Say it again. Heat capture, not electricity. It's simple but powerful. Trillions of BTUs available for capture. Billions of dollars available for capture. Electing to not capture the sun's heat is wasteful and foolish. Heat capture is simply the most cost-effective clean energy process known to man. The solar furnace.